Hello guys, today we will be learning VPython here. VPython is a library from Python where you can simulate visuals right away. So this is going to be a video series where I'll be teaching you how to use VPython. Today we will be learning the basics, and as we progress in the video we will be learning more, and at the end of this series you will be able to create something like this. Here I have a program that simulates projectile motion. Let's run this program and show you how exactly this works. So here we are prompted to enter initial velocity of our projectile. Let's go with 50 meter per second, and we have to input the angle of projection here. So let's go with 45 degrees. So here this is how the projectile will cover the trajectory. So we got the time taken and total distance covered in x-axis, and all these things. So at the end of this series we will be learning all of this right here, but for today we will be going with introduction, and with progression series we will be learning more. So in order to use VPython, you just have to log in into this website glowscript.org, and you can start right away. All you need is a Google account to log in, and you can start creating your programs. Also, you can install VPython in your personal computer, but I won't recommend you doing that because some of the functions might not work. So just go here and start your project. So basically we have to learn some syntax that are relevant in Python as well. So as in regular Python, we can use print. What this function will do is it will print the string or the integers that you input. So let's input a string, just say hello world. So this will print hello world in the screen. So let's run this program, and here you go, it's hello world written here. So this is how it works. You can also use it as a calculator because Python can work as a calculator. So let's print a mathematical expression, let's say 2 plus 3. So what this program will do is print 5. There you go. So this is how you print things in VPython. We can also print other things like a very complex mathematical expression. Let's say 2 times 3 plus 5 times 3 plus 10 divided by 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So what this double asterisk does is it raises 2 to the power of 2 here. So we can say that double asterisk is used for index. Okay, so for it's used for the power. Okay, so what this program will do here is it will print the overall result of this mathematical expression here. Let's run the program. Oops. Okay, let's run the program, and here you can see it's 30, and I hope this program is working well. So let's send something. So 10 divided by 3. So we won't be getting our answer in integer because 10 divided by 3 is clearly not an integer. It's more of a floating value. Okay, so you will get a floating value here. So here you go. Good thing about Python is that you don't have to specify whether it's integer or it's a floating value like you do in C language. So you can get the answer in decimal floating points even if you don't specify it. So this is how you use VPython as calculator. Let's do something more. So now we'll be learning about variables in VPython. So what are variables? Variables are a symbolic representation of value that is stored in a memory. So for example, we can assign value for any symbols. For example, we take x here. So let x be 10 here, and let y be 5 years. So what this thing is doing right here is it's assigning a value of 10 to x and value of 5 to y. Here the equals to sign doesn't mean actually what it means in mathematics, but here it works as a assignment operator. So it's assigning a value, so we can use this value anywhere in the program. For example, we can just go here and print the sum of these variables, right? Sum of x and y, we should get 15 here. Okay, let's run this program, and as you can see we got 15 here. So this is how data are stored in Python in variables. So you can just randomly assign a variable, let it be x or y, or it can also be something like your name. Let's assign your name here. Okay, so your name is let it be Max, right? So we have assigned Max to your name. So your name is variable here, and we can just print it. Print your name. Okay, so let's run this program. This should work properly. So here you go, Max, and you have the 15, the sum that we didn't remove from the program, right? So this is how variables work. In next video we'll be learning more. So this is me, Pascal, signing off. Peace out.